In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade Nasdaq 100 on Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials inside the Exness dashboard. I want you to hover on the left side panel, click the Analytics tab, there is a drop-down menu, and click the Analyst Views. Here, on the search bar, I want you to type in the Nasdaq 100. You see there is a suggested symbol. I want you to click on it because the Nasdaq 100, also called as NAS 100 or US 100 on some brokers, is an index made up of the top 100 non-financial companies listed on the Nasdaq exchange. That includes major tech companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, and Meta. So traders love NAS 100 because it moves very quickly and offers strong trading opportunities during the US market session. Since we have already the Nasdaq 100 here, I want you to click the trade button. And what will happen is you need to choose what type of account you want to use to trade this NAS 100. You can use your real account, but we highly suggest you use your demo account to avoid risking real money. Click the trade button, and you need to choose the trading platform. If you choose the Exness terminal, you can trade directly from your browser. However, if you choose the MetaTrader 5, you need to download and install the MT5 platform. I am going to choose the first option, and what will happen is you'll be forwarded to the Exness trading platform itself. Now, in the right side panel is going to be our market watch. So you can always set a stop loss below for supporting buy trades and above resistance for sell trades. And you can also aim for at least 1:2 here in the take profit for a risk to reward ratio. And of course, you need to put the lot size for the volume and click the confirm button. Once you've done that, congratulations, you'd be able to trade the NAS 100 here on Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.